dear students?
Hello, teacher.
Sit down. How are you, my dear students? Okay, thank you. So, today's our theme about pronouns. As we know, in English language, a lot of pronouns, yes? And first of all, I want to ask you about first pronouns in English language. Tell me about the first pronouns in English language. What are they? Personal pronouns. Okay. What does it mean? Tell me about personal pronouns. Who gave me some information about personal pronouns, please?
The personal pronouns show us grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the noun it replies. For example, we can add you, he, she, it, they, and they.
Okay, thank you. So, please.
I want to say something about personal pronouns. There are 12 personal pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, they, them, his, and them. And personal pronouns is pronouns that replaces a class of things. And we call them a subclass of nouns because they can sometimes replace a noun in a sentences. For example, I, you, he, she, it, them.
Okay, thank you. So, with that information, please.
And we have plural form and singular form. For example, I, he, she, it is singular form. You, we, they is plural form.
Thank you. Please.
Personal pronouns have two numbers: singular, I, he, she, it, and plural, we, they. The second person pronoun you, we use both singular and plural.
Both form, yes? Singular form and also plural form. Okay, please.
Personal pronouns are pronouns that are associated primarily with a particular grammatical person. First as I, second as you, and third as he, she, it.
Okay, thank you. So, next question. How many types personal pronouns in English language? Please.
So there are two cases of personal pronouns. It is the nominative cases and object cases. The nominative cases, it is I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And the object cases, it is me, you, him, her, it, and us, you, them. It is the object cases.
Thank you.
Object case.
It.
It is object case.
Thank you. What about, for example, nominative personal pronouns? Answer the question what?
Who and what?
Who and what? Okay. Object personal pronouns answer the question?
Who and whom?
No, just whom.
Whom?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, and first of all, as we know in English language, a lot of pronouns. Yes, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive, reciprocal, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, conjunctive, defining, indefinite, negative pronouns. So just now, today is our theme about personal pronouns, and today we must make any sentences and do, for example, any examples only about personal pronouns. Okay, so personal pronouns, yes. As you know, for example, in English language, two types personal pronouns. As Shodru said about nominative cases and objective. Also, we can say subject, it's meaning about nominative, and also object. So, subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So, object, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay, next please. So, for example, yes, I. It's meaning about singular form. I. Can, for example, about I?
I?
Yes.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher. So,
I have 2 flats.
I have 2 flats.
I'm going to school.
I am going to school. Madina,
I have a lot of books.
I have a lot of books. You?
I read text and read every day.
In my free time, yes? Okay, thank you. What about you?
I'm single.
I understand. Okay, thank you. Next. So, about he. Yes, he. So, what do you think about Chandras? He
He's handsome.
is handsome. Thank you. Next. So, what about he?
He's single.
He's single. Okay.
He's
So,
He's bad boy.
he's
Bad boy.
No.
bad boy. Why?
Oh.
He's clever boy.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
he's smart.
He's smart. Okay. So, what about Tajdin? He is.
He is. He's a good boy.
He's a good boy. Okay. What do you think?
He's best student.
His best student. What about Tajdin? He is.
No student. No.
He's not student.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, about she, it's meaning about, for example, Charlotte. Okay? So, Rose, what do you think about she?
She's my friend.
She's your friend, okay? Please, you, about, what do you, tell me some example about she.
She.
About her, for example. She's,
Beautiful.
she's beautiful,
She's smart.
she's smart,
She has notebook.
she has notebook.
She's such a wonderful person.
Okay, good. What about she?
She's my best friend. She's my teddy.
Okay, thank you. So, about they. They. Yes? So, tell me.
No, about us.
They are my best students. They are very active, yes? They are very beautiful, very smartest about in our college.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. So, they are. Okay? So, give me some example about they.
They are people.
They are pupils. Yes? Okay, plural form.
They are parents.
They are parents. Yes.
They are dancing.
They are dancing. Okay? It's meaning about grandpa and grandma. They are what? Grandparents. Yes, they are grandparents. Okay, so about it. So, give me some example about it.
It is a dog.
It is a dog. It.
It is a laptop.
It is a laptop. Okay,
It's
it.
my pen.
Terrible.
It's terrible dog. Okay, it.
It's our classroom.
It's our classroom.
It is my pen.
It's your pen. Okay.
It's my notebook.
No,
It's
it's
our classroom.
our classroom. It's
It's my college.
college. It's my college. Okay.
It's my college.
It's not my pen.
It's not your pen.
Yeah.
It's my pen. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So.
No, it is my classroom.
Okay. Thank you. So about we. Just now we are studying at the pedagogical college. Also, we are
Student.
students. We are
Will be
We are
In-
clever.
we are clever.
We have lesson.
We have lesson. We
We are popular. We are best students of the.
No.
okay, thank you. We are popular. Yes, for example, I am popular only in my family. Yes. Thank you. So, Shudrus, give me some example about we.